Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the motor in your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a straightforward process. First, you will need to gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. Make sure to have a clean workspace and possibly a small container to keep your screws organized. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust bin by pressing the release button. This will give you access to the interior of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the main body of the vacuum. Keep these screws in your container for easy retrieval later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the two halves of the vacuum. Be cautious as there may be some clips holding them together. After separating the body, locate the motor, which is typically situated in the base of the vacuum. Use your Torx screwdriver to carefully remove the screws that hold the motor in place. Take note of the orientation of the motor, as you will need to install the new one in the same position. At this point, if you want to ensure optimal performance, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the motor housing. Use a soft brush or a vacuum attachment to carefully remove any buildup. If you encounter significant dirt, consider professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure your vacuum runs smoothly. Now, take your new motor and position it correctly in the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring a snug fit. Once the motor is in place, reconnect the wiring harness. This step is crucial, as a loose connection can prevent the vacuum from functioning properly. If you feel unsure about this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. After the motor is securely connected, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully align the two halves of the body and press them together until you hear a click. Replace the screws that hold the body together, making sure not to over-tighten them as this may cause damage. Once everything is back in place, plug in your vacuum and test it out. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have just replaced the motor in your Dyson SV14. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our professionals can assist you without the hassle of calls or travel. This guarantees peace of mind knowing your vacuum is in expert hands, and you can return to your cleaning tasks swiftly. In summary, replacing the motor in your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner is a manageable task with the right tools and technique. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during the process, and don't forget that we are here to help with any concerns you might have along the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.